So what do we do now? We have a smart contract and we have a script for deploying that smart contract. What we can do is we can use Foundry to deploy that smart contract to the Monad Testnet. Ultimately, here's the smart contract, here's the script, and we also defined how to get to the Monad Testnet in the config or in the foundry.toml file. So if I go back to my terminal here, if I type ls, I see that I am in that particular section. Great. So what do? We say the command right here is forge script. Then how do we get to the script? We're going to say we go into the script folder. We have the LightSwitch.s.sol script. And then we say colon to specify the specific contract that we are looking to deploy, which was, of course, called LightSwitch script. See, let me show you 1 second right here. The contract right there, LightSwitch script, is the one we're saying we're deploying. So we will say LightSwitch script like so. Now we're not quite done. We have to tell it where are we going, like which RPC are we using. So I'll say space hyphen RPC hyphen URL, and we named the RPC in the foundry.toml file. So if I go back to foundry.toml, we named it Monad Testnet right there. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it right there to say Monad Testnet. One more thing we need, and that is who is paying for this? It is private key, and yes, you paste in a private key to pay for this contract deployment here. I'm obviously going to paste this in and then, change my screen or alter my screen, hopefully such that you can't see it for privacy reasons. So this is the output. It compiled, it installed, then it ran the successful the compiler. The script ran successfully, and right there, our LightSwitch contract was deployed. This is your contract address, and this is what you really need to save for your front end. So make sure you copy this. I'll just give this a copy. I'll zip on back somewhere right here, and just for good measure, I'll create something like a .env local file right here, and I will say smart contract address equals, and then paste it in right there. So at this point, we have deployed the smart contract to the Monad blockchain, and we've got a smart contract address, and now our front end will be able to interact with that smart contract address.